Yesterday I bought an inhaler, and for the last 2 weeks I've had a hacking cough, which at some points I was coughing so much I couldn't breathe. And I came in here yesterday, I bought one, and last night I slept for 4 hours. Normally if I was lucky I'd get 2 hours sleep, and I'm not coughing anywhere near as much as what it was the last 2 weeks. So I've come back to buy another one for a friend, and also another salt lamp for in the bedroom. So I'm tickled pink with this.